Joao Felix is a Portuguese professional footballer. He plays as a forward for Liga club Barcelona. His parents, Carlos and Carla, are both teachers. He has a younger brother, Hugo, who plays for Benfica's youth ranks. Growing up, Felix's idols were Kaká and Rui Costa, the latter a player he looked to emulate. Felix was in a relationship with Portuguese actress Margarida Corceiro until May 2023. Felix returned to pre-season training in July, where he almost immediately had a tense exchange with Atlético sporting director Andrea Berta and was forced to train with the reserves. He didn't play a single minute of pre-season for Atlético in the summer, as his manager Diego Simeone did not want him back either. His agent Jorge Mendes offered him to Paris Saint-Germain, but the club rejected the chance to sign him. On 18 July, Felix stated his desire to join Barcelona in an interview with Fabrizio Romano, saying, "Barcelona has always been my first choice and I would love to join Barca." He would receive an offer from Saudi Pro League side Al Hilal to join them on a one-year loan deal, with their manager and fellow compatriot Jorge Jesus trying to convince Felix to join them on multiple occasions. However, Atlético rejected Al Hilal's loan offer as they wanted a permanent deal for Felix. On 1st September, Felix joined Barcelona on loan for the 2023-24 season alongside his Portugal teammate Joao Cancelo. According to Mateo Moreto of Relevo, Barcelona covered 100% of his wages, which were restructured after Felix agreed a contract extension until 2029 before leaving Atlético, and as a consequence lowering his annual salary, which was crucial to make his deal fit within Barcelona's salary cap in La Liga. On 16 September, he scored on his first start for Barca, opening the score in the 25th minute of a 5-0 league victory against Real Betis with a sharp finish from a narrow angle. He was subsequently praised for his dictating play, and after the game he stated, "I am very happy to be starting games again. The feelings are very good. It's easy to play in this team." On 11 September 2023, Felix closed Portugal's 9-0 home defeat of Luxembourg in the UEFA Euro 2024 qualifiers, their biggest win in international history. On 15 March 2019, manager Fernando Santos called up Felix to the senior team for the first time ahead of the opening UEFA Euro 2020 qualifying matches. On 3 July 2019, Felix signed a 7-year contract with the Spanish club Atlético Madrid for a transfer fee of 126 million, the fourth highest sum ever paid in football, as well as the second highest fee ever paid for a teenager, with the Spanish club initially paying 30 million and the rest 96 million via installments, thus surpassing Felix's 120 million buyout clause, and with Benfica paying 12 million in mediation services. Felix started the 2022-23 season on 15 August, providing a hat-trick of assists for the first time in his career as Atlético beat Getafe 3-0 away from home. In the process, he became the third Portuguese player to provide 3 assists in a match in La Liga. The following matches were preceded by a dispute over Felix's relationship with Diego Simeone, where Felix lost his place in the starting lineup and became the club's 5th choice attacker behind Angel Correa, Antoine Griezmann, Alvaro Morata and Matheus Cunha. He scored his first international goal on 5 September 2020 in a 4-1 home win over Croatia in the 2020-21 UEFA Nations League. Felix was selected for UEFA Euro 2020, replacing Joao Moutinho in the 55th minute in a 1-0 loss to Belgium in the round of 16 on 27 June. On 25 November, Felix scored his first World Cup goal in Portugal's 3-2 group stage win against Ghana. On 6 December, Felix provided 2 assists in Portugal's 6-1 win over Switzerland in the round of 16. Portugal were eliminated in the quarter-finals after losing 1-0 to Morocco, who became the first CAF nation ever to reach the World Cup semi-finals. Felix is a former Portugal youth international representing his country at under 18, under 19 and under 21 levels.